Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick review of Ariana Grande's R.E.M beauty line. I just have a few of her products that we're just going to try out for a first impression for the first time, see if we like them, and yeah, so let's get started. Hey guys, so I thought today that we would just do a quick first impressions and review of Ariana Grande's new line, R.E.M Beauty. So I just have a few of her products today that I thought that we could open and look at together. So as you can see, I've already done most of my base products because her line does not include foundation, contour, eyebrows, things like that. She does have eyeliner and a couple other items that I do not have, but what I do have today is a highlighter, eyeshadow palette, and a lip stain marker. So let's see how these are. And I don't know about y'all, but whenever a celebrity comes out with a new makeup line, I mean, I do like Ariana Grande, but I just always am a little bit skeptical about the quality of the products when they first come out. Usually I'm not the first in line to get their stuff, just kind of want to see what other people think about it first and then see, but I wanted to be one of the first to see R.E.M Beauty, so let's test it out. So let's first start off with the highlighter so I can just complete my face, and yeah. So this is the highlighter's packaging, and let's see, well, and the color that I have is in the color Champagne. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. Now I really like that there's a mirror here. You definitely don't get that in a lot of products anymore, so I do like that. It is kind of flimsy a little bit. It doesn't like lock when you open and close it, so I don't really like that part. I mean, there's a little bit of a magnetic part, but it's just not very strong, so don't love the packaging, but let's see if we like the product. I'm just gonna put some. Ooh, I like this, and you can definitely see it coming on there. So I like the highlighter so far. The highlighter is a yes for me, and although I got the champagne color, I would also like to try she has a purple one, and I just love purple highlighters, so I would like to try it in that color possibly. So for me, the highlighter is a yes. And let's move on now to the eye makeup. Again, not crazy about the packaging really, but I like the colors that come into this one. I feel like they're very neutral and definitely can be used in everyday stuff. So, and then again, the mirror aspect is pretty nice, but other than that, wouldn't say anything too special about the packaging. Also, something that kind of annoys me, and this is the Babydoll color eyeshadow palette. But one thing that also does bother me is that the colors of the names of the colors are not on this. They're only on the box, so that is not the best, but again, we'll see if we like the actual product and disregard the packaging. And again, this is really nice that I have the mirror, so I don't even have to get out my big mirror to show you guys the stuff. So let's see, I'm gonna start with this color and just kind of put it overall everywhere. The lid. Just to brighten everything up. I just want to do a really natural, easy look. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with this color into the crease. And I'm using this as more of like a transition color, so I'm trying to blend it out a good amount. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with this darker brown to define a little bit more into the crease and give it some more depth. I do like these colors. I feel like they are blending together very nicely. Now I'm going to take this very dark color and put it into the outer corner. So there we go. And then I'm going to take this color and kind of put it down on the lower lash line a little bit. And then lastly, I'm just going to pick one of these two shimmers. So I'm going to pick this lighter one. This one's a little more golden, a little darker, to go on the lid. Wow, this is really pretty. Really pretty. I'm loving this. Wow, the colors look so good together. This is a gorgeous palette. Seriously, I'm really impressed with these colors, how they blend together, how they look together. I am actually impressed, Ari. So that's that for the eyes. I'm just gonna finish up with some liner and mascara and I'll be right back. All right, and that is the final eye look. And yeah, so I actually am pretty impressed with this palette. I really like the colors. I really like how it blends out. I really like how the colors complement each other. And I feel like this is perfect for just an everyday, natural looking look. I honestly needed a new palette like this because I've been using the Naked palettes and I haven't found any other good neutral palette for my go-to. So this is definitely going to be going into my everyday collection or just easy going out looks, not like dramatic, crazy going out looks, just a good date night kind of thing. This, I'm loving it so far. So far, the highlighter is a yes for me. Even though we're not so crazy about her packaging, it's not the best quality of packaging, but hopefully it holds up for the product, and that's all that really matters. So as long as it stays good for the life of the product, I'll be happy. So highlighter is a yes. Eye palette is a yes. And then last but not least, we will be trying today the lip stain marker, which I have not used a lip stain marker in quite a while, so we'll see. And I got the color Miss Berry because I just love mauves, berry colors. I think that those look great on me and my skin color and my lips, so that's the color I got. Again, not super crazy about this packaging, pretty basic, literally looks like a Sharpie, but we'll see. Hopefully the product again is better than the packaging. And I'm just gonna love these little nifty mirrors, so I'm just gonna use one of these mirrors to apply this product. It's on there real good. It's on there real good. Okay. Oh my gosh, it looks like actually like a marker. All right, let's see. Now, this is my first impression of the product, so I will say that the stain looks good. I like it. It's a pretty color. Now, as for the longevity, I won't be able to say much for that because it will not be checking back in, but hopefully it will last long. And something that I also noticed initially about this product is I already want to apply like a chapstick or lip gloss or something. It's pretty drying, but hey, if this color stays on there all day, then I'll be happy. So yeah, I am so far liking R.E.M Beauty. I'm surprised. I was pretty critical, I will say, about the line in general initially, but although I'm not crazy again about any of this packaging, I think that the products actually are pretty good. Again, I don't really know about the longevity of this lip stain and how that's going to go, and I would recommend to put some hydrating balm or something over your lip because it's very drying. But Miss Mercury, we love her. And this is my favorite product so far, actually. I thought that it was gonna be the highlighter, but no, this is great. I love the colors. I'm really excited to incorporate this into my everyday looks and just more often. So yeah, it wouldn't be an Ari look without winged liner. I really wish that I had tried her liner, but I'm really picky about my liners, and so I just stuck with mine. But y'all let me know in the comments below, is Ariana Grande's winged liner good? The ones that I currently use are NYX and Stila, but I am still on the lookout for my holy grail of eyeliner, but those are my favorite two right now. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried her liner. Let me know if you've tried any of these other products and if you like them, especially if you've tried the purple highlighter, because that is going to be next on my list for sure for her line. And yeah, so if you guys know of any other celebrity lines, like I have not tried Rihanna's, I have not tried Selena Gomez's. There are so many out there. If you'd like me to try one of their lines, please let me know. I, of course, am open to it and would love to. So if that's something that you guys would also be interested in seeing, let me know in the comments below. And I hope you guys enjoyed my first impressions and review of Ariana Grande's R.E.M Beauty, and stay tuned next time for more videos and we'll try out some more stuff together, and thank you for watching.